Welcome to the Carrylift Group. Founded in 1988, we have grown to become the UK's largest privately owned materials handling company. Today we'll be looking at our 3-star forklift truck service, which is performed on all our 3-star reconditioned trucks and also available for customers' own machines if required. Here we have one of our customers' trucks from the Nissan J01 range. It's come back to us in need of some TLC. Besides looking pretty shabby, it's in need of a complete mechanical overhaul. Our first step is to get the truck started up and cleaned off with a high pressure steam cleaner before a full inspection is carried out. We always fully inspect each truck that comes through the process to make sure that it's suitable for refurbishment and to assess the work that needs to be carried out. We then begin an ongoing servicing process. As part of the reconditioning, we subject each truck to a rigorous 77-point service checklist. It's then time to take the truck to pieces. Starting with the mast. And later, the bonnet. Then off comes the overhead guard and the counterweight. We're then able to get down to the truck's bare bones and continue the 77-point service, always looking for telltale signs of internal problems. The steering and brakes are serviced, as well as the tappets and the oil and transmission filters. The truck chassis is then ready for its aesthetic makeover, and it's taken to one of Carrylift's 6 paint shops. As per the customer's order on this occasion, the mast is exchanged for a different configuration. Here at Carrylift we have a large range of both reconditioned and brand new masts available for all our customers. Each reconditioned mast is subject to the same rigorous servicing that the trucks are subject to. We start by stripping it down, while over at the paint shop our Nissan trained painters put the chassis through a complete bare metal respray. Back over at the workshop, the mast is fully inspected for potential problems before being taken out for its turn at the paint shop. And after being painted back to the manufacturer's and customer's spec, the chassis is returned to the engineers ready to be rebuilt. Work gets underway, while over at the paint shop the painters are busy giving the mast its bare metal respray. Back over at the workshop, the engineers are busy completing the reassembly of the chassis, while still adhering to the 77-point checklist. The newly repainted mast is then returned to the engineers, who then proceed to reassemble it. All parts are checked for wear, with all unsatisfactory parts replaced for new. Great care is taken to ensure that all mast sections are adjusted to be within manufacturer's tolerances. When satisfied, the engineer fits the mast back to the truck. To complete the truck's 77-point service, it's put through its final general, load and road checks before being sent back to the paint shop for a final once-over. And here we have it, the finished truck looking almost brand new, a far cry from the condition it came in at. At Carrylift, we subject all our reconditioned machines to independent Lola inspections before being sent out. We're confident that our work is the best in the field, so you can have the confidence in us to supply a careful and thorough reconditioning service.